Hi there! Thank you for joining me to learn about all the amazing benefits that come with being a member of the First Class Heat and Air Comfort Club.
First Class Heat and Air, your comfort's our goal. Where expert service meets first class care, Comfort Club delivers beyond compare. Comfort Club, Comfort Club, First Class Heat and Air, where expert service meets first class care. Comfort Club, Comfort Club, premium comfort everywhere. COMFORT, now that can't be beat. 2 tune-ups a year through the cold and the heat. Discounts priority and a smile you can trust. First Class Heat and Air, we go above, it's a must. Join the Comfort Club today. Your comfort is here to stay. First Class Heat and Air, where expert service meets first class care. Comfort Club, Comfort Club, First Class Heat and Air, where expert service meets